Homemade barbecue chicken recipe. I hope you try this recipe. Here I will show you step by step how to make a homemade barbecue sauce and how I made my homemade barbecue chicken. Here is the ingredients: chicken, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, mustard, sugar, garlic, onion and chili powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, and chicken stock. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of ketchup, 1½ tablespoon of mustard, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic and onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt and black pepper. One cup of chicken stock. Now, I'm going to whisk this all together. And there is my barbecue sauce. The next step is I'm going to add my sauce to the chicken, and I will reserve some for later. I'm pouring the sauce over it and mix it in well. I am going to let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes before placing it in the oven. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to place my chicken into the baking tray. Add sauce and bake for 30 minutes. Remove from oven and turn chicken over. I'm going to turn chicken over and add some more sauce. I'm going to place this back into the oven and bake for another 30 minutes. And now this is what it looked like. Let's go ahead and flake our barbecue chicken in a homemade barbecue sauce. Drizzle some barbecue sauce. Garnish with fresh parsley leaves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.